Nestled dramatically on a high basalt plateau overlooking the breathtaking Vorotin River Gorge in southeastern Armenia's Sunak province sits Tatev Monastery, a testament to the enduring spirit and rich cultural heritage of the Armenian people. More than just a monastery, Tatev represents a confluence of religious devotion, architectural brilliance, and intellectual ferment that has shaped Armenian history for centuries. Its origins trace back to the 4th century, though its most significant development occurred during the 9th century and beyond, when it rose to prominence as the seat of the Sunak bishopric, a position of considerable power and influence within the region. This period marked the beginning of its transformation from a small church into a sprawling complex that became a beacon of religious, political, and cultural life. The monastery's strategic location, perched high above the rugged landscape, provided both protection and a commanding view of the surrounding territory. This strategic advantage contributed to its enduring importance throughout its history, even as it weathered periods of turmoil and destruction. The architecture of Tatev Monastery is a captivating blend of traditional Armenian styles and innovative design elements, reflecting the evolving artistic and engineering skills of its builders. The most iconic structure, the Church of Saints Peter and Paul, also known as the Cathedral, dates back to between 895 and 906 AD, its sturdy construction and elegant proportions a testament to the mastery of Armenian stonemasons. The church's interior, though much of its original frescoes are lost to time, once showcased the vibrant artistry of Armenian iconography. Adjacent to the main church stands the St. Gregory the Illuminator's Church, rebuilt in 1295 after an earlier destruction, further illustrating the monastery's resilience and enduring importance.